Hi, my name is Alex, and this is a tutorial on how to draw lines on your form's background in Delphi7. We're gonna start off by making a timer. A timer is located in the system part of your tool interface, and it looks like a small clock. We're gonna set the interval of the timer to 1 millisecond. That means that 1,000 times every second the timer will run through this code. About the code, it will be width, canvas, do. Begin. We're gonna first set the style of the lines. pen.style receives the value of pen style dot. Next we're gonna set the thickness of the lines. pen.wide receives the value of 2. Next we're gonna set the color of the lines with the following command. pen.color receives the value of RGB of random of 255, random of 255, random of 255. Now the first random of 255 represents the red component, the second the green component, and the third the blue component. We're gonna write the commands that actually draw the lines. Since every line is defined by 2 points, it makes sense that we need 2 commands. First command is gonna be line to random of client wide, random of client height, and the second command is going to be the same thing, only instead of line to, move to. So the first command will make our, so to speak, pen position itself on to the coordinates random of client wide and random of client height, and the second command will make that pen then move to the next position. Random of client wide is the position on the horizontal axis, and random of client height is the position on the vertical axis. Client wide is the wide of your form, and client height is the height of your form. I'm gonna explain later why this is important. Now we need one end, and we're set to go. So this is what we get. 1,000 lines drawn every 1 second. This is alright, but I have something a bit cooler to show you. Or at least something that looks cooler. Why only 1,000 lines? Why not make 10,000 lines, 100,000 lines? Let's make 100,000. We're gonna implement a for loop here. For I receives the value of 1 to 100, do begin. I'm gonna right away close that off with the end, and we need to define a local variable I, which will be an integer and which must be an integer. Now let's see what we got. Now we got 100,000 lines drawn every 1 second. The lines are random position wise and random color wise. Now, I told you that I would explain later why the client wide part and the client height part was important, and I will. Suppose you wanted to expand your window now. Look at what happens. If I fix the values of the range within which it can move to and line to, it would look kind of stupid now. I think you will agree. If you found this tutorial helpful or interesting, please subscribe to our channel. So that's it. See you in the next tutorials. Thank you for listening.